Okay. Hi everybody, we're back here in the shop at Drexel University, and before we get started on any actual projects, it's really important to go over safety in general in the shop. So Scott's here to help us out with that.
How you doing?
So basically, what do I need to know? I walk in the door, I'm ready to put my hands into machines. What's going on?
Okay, so like always, first things first is don't forget glasses. If you have glasses that are on you that are prescription, they're more than welcome. If you start doing something where you're grinding or there's going to be dust or particles, we'll give you something to shield your entire face so that they don't get up underneath of your eyes. No loose clothing, so you want to keep everything up above the elbow if you can. Okay. Anything that's dangling from your neck or your ears, any long hair has to be put up into a ponytail.
Took care of that already.
Yeah. Anything that's drooping, like if you're wearing a hoodie during the winter time, you're going to have the drawstrings. We're going to probably ask you to tuck them inside or remove the hoodie altogether. You're allowed to wear shorts. Just try to keep them tight fitting. You don't need something baggy flapping all over the place. Closed-toed shoes as well. With springtime coming, that's when we have a lot of people that want to wear flip-flops and sandals, so we want to try to combat against that. If you bring flip-flops or sandals in here, we're pretty good at just saying, hey, you got to get out. So make sure you have closed-toed shoes. If some people in the past have taken closed-toed shoes and put them in their bag, when they get here, they simply just change their shoes and then continue to work, and on we go. If there's if you do happen to get cut or scraped, we do have some medical supplies to help out, Band-Aids and things, try to keep your bleeding down. If you do maim yourself in some way, shape, or form, we do have access to 911, and we'll get you the help you need as quickly as we can. Overall, try to keep the place as you found it. We try to keep a good job at keeping it clean and keeping it tidy. When you're done, try to clean up after yourself so that the next person coming in isn't coming into your mess. Rags and things, most of the time will go right into the trash. If you have one that's extremely oily or something, we do have some cans around that are for disposable oil waste and things like that. Other than that, it's just, don't touch anything that's spinning without knowing what it is. The worst thing you can do is touch something and hurt yourself. So we've got a pretty good track record here at Drexel. At least the last 8 years, we haven't had any major incidences, knock on wood. I can only attest for the last 8 years, because that's how long I've been here.
Okay. So, there's the glasses. Are there any other safety things? Like, some of these machines are really noisy. Should I be bringing my own earplugs and stuff like that?
No. We actually do have some earplugs and stuff. We have to build a little shelf to go over here with it. But if you look right over here on this half wall, we do have some earplugs. We have an eye wash station. There's also some dust masks if you're doing something that's so you don't get any contaminants in your mouth. You can wear those. So that's about all we have. It's fairly easy. It's a lot of general, I would say, a lot of common sense stuff. Don't stick your hands in where I don't think they should be.
Sure.
So that's about all there is.
Okay, so eyes covered and nothing dangling. Really, the motors behind these machines are not. They're not. You're not stronger than them.
Right.
So you just don't want anything near them.
If you'd like, go to YouTube and look up machine shop accidents, and that'll tell the story.
Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot, Scott. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
All right. On to some projects.
Yep.
Thanks, everybody, and until next time, have fun.